Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Asma Zahra, your Pakistan Studies teacher. Today we are learning about the topic Emergence of Pakistan SLO 3.1 towards Pakistan Resolution 1940, in which we will learn about general elections 1936 till 37, Congress Rule 1937 till 39, Day of Deliverance 1939. SLO 3.1.1 Analyze the reasons for Muslim League's failure in the general elections of 1936 till 37. As you know, neither Congress nor the Muslim League approved the Government of India Act 1935, but both of them could see an advantage of contesting the provincial election which were be held in January and February of 1937. The League had to organize itself as a political party with local organizations able to campaign and obtain the vote. Both Congress and the League produced manifestos setting out their policies. Mr. Nehru was keen to use the elections to show the strength and power of Congress. He rejected the Muslim League as a representative party. He told Indians, only two parties, the Congress and the British. In reply, Mr. Jinnah angrily insisted that the Muslim League should be considered as an equal partner with the Congress. He called on Muslims to unite behind the League so that they could deal with both Congress and Britain from a position of strength. Mr. Nehru's attitude, however, hardened Muslim views in support for a separate country. Muslim League Manifesto. The manifesto protested against the Indian Acts of 1935 and supported the principle of greater provincial autonomy and separate electorates to protect the rights of minorities. The main principles on which we expect our representative in various legislatures to work will be: number one, that the present provincial constitution and proposed central constitution should be replaced immediately by democratic full self-government. Number two, and that in the meantime, representative of the Muslim League will utilize the legislatures in order to extract benefit out of the constitution for the uplift of the people in the various spheres of national life. The Congress Manifesto. Congress presented the slogan of public welfare, freedom, and release of their political workers. The results of the election. The results of the elections were very shocking for the Muslims of India and Muslim League, which could not get mentionable support for the voters. As well as the Congress was also shocked about the results. The Congress achieved a big victory and managed to get clear majority in 5 provinces. It however maneuvered to form coalition to form its ministries in 8 provinces. Congress got clearly majority in Madras, Bihar, Orissa, United Provinces, and Central Provinces. In Bombay, Congress won some independent groups to form a ministry. But even in the remaining provinces, Punjab, Sindh, and Bengal, where there were a Muslim majority, the League did not fare well. It won only 109 of the 482 seats reserved for Muslims. Congress, who claimed to be presenting 95% of the total Indian population, could not even secure 40% of the seats. Congress won almost 750 seats out of 1771 in 8 out of 11 provinces. Reasons for Muslim League failure. The election had not been a success for the Muslim League, but it had brought benefits to them. The first was the major election the League had fought and helped unify the party after the internal split of the early 1930s. The party learned a great deal about how to contest elections. It realized that it had to improve its organization and planning. Number 3, the League now knew that its support lay more in areas where the Muslims were a minority rather than a majority. Where there was a majority, the Muslims did not yet feel threatened by Hindu domination. The Muslim League also realized that it had an image problem. Its leaders were seen as aristocrats and princes, whereas many Muslims at this time were poor and illiterate. The Muslims did not support the Muslim League because they supposed that the Muslim League is also a party for upper class or elite class. There were 3 questions to do. Why were the 1937 elections important to the Muslim League? What they learned from these elections? How successful was the Muslim League in the elections 1937? And discuss the reasons of the failure of Muslim League in election 1937.